Good morning everyone. I did say yesterday that I know I'm going to do the lantern, but I'm not doing it just yet. I've got a couple of things I want to sort out first. But I did say I'll come back and share with you. I've got that as a project to do and these glasses. So what I've done so far, I'm going to do one and then I'll do the other one as well. But I'll do this one as a tutorial. So the beautiful long stem glasses and really nice. You just make sure they're clean and free from anything. Just alcohol cleaner or nail polish remover. That does it. Now what I've done is I've taken some filigree pieces and glued them on, and I used this like a Loctite glue. This is called Zapper Gap. I would have used my glossy accents, but I think for this project you need a stronger glue. And then I've glued this middle section on as well, but I've only glued it under here in that little thing. I've bent it back to shape the glass, and then I've just glued it on the you know, there you can see it where I've done it. So hopefully this has dried, and I'm using clamps. Try and invest in some clamps because they are really, really good. Like that. And they move about a bit. I have different ones. I have these which are a non-stick one. Now that looks safe enough for me. If it comes off, it comes off. We'll have to do it again. So I'm just going to sort this out. And then that one's ready to paint. I might do them both together, to be honest. So I'm just going to put my clips to one side. So I have them pinned up over there. Let me just sort them out and put them over here for a minute. Now I don't know if you saw, but I've got these in. They're just the heads. These are for making the miniature trees and bushes and that, which can be cut down. But they're in stock, and we've got these in stock, and these come in, I think it's, if I find the other one, yeah, I've cut mine. They come in twos. You get two of those for miniature plants. They're ideal. I've shown you how to do them. So I'm just letting you know. And then we've got the little motifs as well. Right, now I've got some box chain. I've had this a long, long time, and I've saved it. Because I think what I wanted to do was maybe put that around the rim. I'm not sure. Because what I've got to go on here when it's painted are those. So it's going to be a Gothic one. I just wanted to glue that in there. And I think with that chain it's going to look awesome. I think. The other thing I could do is to make it sit this lot in a frame sort of thing. So if I kind of like did it like that. You know, did it in a frame. I don't like that. I want it classy looking, but Gothic, and I like that. So I think I'm going to do that now. Oh. Well, I have to get that to stick, you know that, don't you? And that just fits like a glove. Yes, I like that. I have a very funny feeling when these go in the shop, I know who's going to buy them. I have a Very, very strange feeling. And I'd probably get the email right now saying, don't put them in the shop fee, I want them. I have a couple of ladies that collect Gothic things. That's nice, isn't it? Come on, even without doing anything else. Now, I can't put this on until the end. Oh my God, I've just thought of something. No. No, but it's got to have a pearl. See, I've got to do my pearly bit, even though it's Gothic. See, if I have that there. It's going to be painted black and then done in silver. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Oh, bum. It's a chain for that one. Holy crap. Put that there. There's some spare ones of them. Right, okie dokie. That's one for that and one for that. Unfortunately, they don't face the opposite way, which would have been nice if they had. But a pair of goblets. Right, there we go with the paint. Let's see, that's more or less dried. Yeah. I'm going to go over the top. Make sure that's all nicely filled in. Right, what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of the white and just do underneath so that it's filled in. That's it. That looks really nice. Quite thrilled with that. And I'm just going to go underneath here a little bit as well, which we will do when we've got the black. That'll dry. And now we're going on to the black. Now, I think myself that's going to come off, but if it does, it doesn't matter. See? Doesn't matter that it's come off. I know where it's going to go back. And we'll sort that out afterwards. In fact, it's better that it doesn't, because look, I can paint over that. Which I think I should have done with those before I did those. Before I glued them on. But hey, you learn by your mistakes. So what I'm going to do at the moment is just take a little bit of this paint, this black, and try and use the brush to go all around it. Right, I'm just going to stand that one out of the way. It's still cooling down, that glass, but that's not quite dry, so I'll do this until that dries. And I'm just doing black and silver, and with the filigree having a nice pattern to it, I can wherever it goes over, I can soon stop that and paint it black again, so I'm not that fussed. Okay, and then what I've got to do, which is going to be the hard bit, is to put the thing on without it, whoops. So now we've got to somehow hold that there, get the glue, and pop this on. There. Like that. And that's got to stay put. Like that. I want to make sure. Yeah, that'll hold. That'll be fine. And then we've got this, which the pearl. Because even though it's Gothic, I'm going to have the pearl. Oops. Like that. And I have to leave that to set. But look at that. I think that's gorgeous. Now, while it's like that, and I'm going to have to leave my sponge like that, I need a small paintbrush. And take the excess black and just go over the sections that I can see. Right, I'm not going to do any more to that. It's got to stick. So I'll be back to do the other one.